30 miles out. Woo!
Welcome to 30 Miles Out. This episode is brought to you by
Wow! Wait for it.
The new.
You know what? Here's the cool part about this shirt is, it's not gonna be big enough with the fish I'm catching tomorrow. Oh boy, we're talking monsters. Monsters.
I'm tired. You watching 30 Miles Out. Let's get it on. Got the yaks loaded up, headed to Goose Island State Park.
Oh!
Delicious.
Delicious gas station food, packed with protein and carbs.
2 for $3. Bam. Full of mosquitoes.
Bam. Pow. Pow.
Bam. What?
It's ridiculous.
$5 a person?
This winter fishing costs money.
Ready to launch at the pier, go hit the reef. Might hit some lights. The lights are still on.
Let's do it.
What? Alright, so me, Damien, and Cody launched at the base of the Goose Island State Park Pier. There's a long oyster reef that comes off of this pier. While the lights are on, we might chunk a few. We're Goose Island State Park. We're working our way down this huge oyster reef island. I'm throwing top waters. We're throwing chartreuse gulps with 8-ounce jig heads. That's it. See what we can pick up. Who knows? Get it on. Skip Jack in the sunrise. Skip Jack on. Whoa, Eric. My favorite time of the day is sunrise. And hanging a fish at sunrise makes it even better. Oh man, skipjack on top water is freaking awesome, man. Side. Yeah, man. Man, these poor man's tarpon, we call them. Skipjack, ladyfish, banana fish, they're all the same thing. Yep. Everything, eat some cobia, love them. Okay, maybe we're not going to be able to grab one. Hey man, I ain't picky. White skitterwalk comes through again, bone white. Ooh, what? We're just working our way down that oyster reef. It's an island. It almost lasts like a quarter mile, half a mile. It goes a good ways. Man, my black pack. Get a rat trap out of my black pack here. Hello, my black pack, man. If it ain't a black pack, I don't need it. Damien was constantly catching fish on a rattling cork and a gulp. Sail thing, that's not a fish taco. No, actually, this was decent eating. Man, I thought he had a redfish, man. I was all excited. Well, let's keep on trying. Marsh grass. Yeah, man. Little red. Man, Damien's just like me. A couple top waters and some chartreuse gulp, and he's gone. What are we doing, Damien? What are we doing? I was laughing hard because Damien did not like the idea of walking across that marshy island barefoot. He was kind of mad at me, but it was funny. Because of the wind direction, we really wanted to fish the main bay across that island. We had no idea how far we were going to have to paddle down the inside of the island, so I figured, let's just drag them across the island. That's some good production value right there, man. You got Flounder, man. Wasn't long before Damien started working his magic with that chartreuse gulp. Whoa! Kidding me? Yeah, that's a fat guy too. You got some chunk to him. Damien caught that flounder, throwing at the marsh grass and bouncing that grub off the bottom. Lay on the bottom there. There you go. Taco right there. That's a couple tacos. Like that. Damien, you watching 30 Miles Out. Bam. What? I started throwing a silver spoon, and I started picking up some dink specks here and there. I take nail polish. Look at that. Nail polish adheres to that rod like nobody's business. It's just like a nail. It's glossy, it's hard coated, and the glittery nail polish sticks right to it. So from the cork to the first 15, so he's like 12, you know. He'd be there, he'd be legal. The next one is redfish, so works good. Bam, tie, speckled trout, spoon. It's working. All you do is just make sure that little weed guard is just above the hook eye, and make sure you put a split ring, get a split ring deal, and put a swivel right there because they spin. And you can throw these up in the marsh grass, throw them on grass flats, reds and specks. Love them. Gold for reds and silver for specks, but they'll both hit both. But there you go. Cody, get you some, Cody. Oh, I think that's it. Get you some, boy. Cody got something nice, huh? All right. Cody was using that same chartreuse gulp grub, bouncing it on the bottom with the jig head. Where'd you get them on, man?
That gulp, man. Did that shirt help? All you need is that gulp right there.
There you go. First one on planet Earth, Mike. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, he's right at 16, yeah. Sweet.
Get bigger, buddy. Get bigger. 30 miles out.
Woo! Here we go.
When you have a lot of submerged vegetation, you can't beat these Johnson single hook weed guarded spoons.
Oh, what is that? Oh my God, here. No, so that. Oh, it's a nice trout. Nice trout. Oh, kill him. Flash on it. Sun hits it. Bam. Oh, look. What am I saying? A little bit of fingernail polish goes a long way. That's all I'm saying. Look. Put it right there at the cork. Is he there? Oh, he's just shy. He's just shy. Man, I'm tired. You watching 30 Miles Out. Thanks a lot for hanging out with us. Check out Kayak Fishing Talk Show, Yak in Texas, on YouTube. What? What's the score? What are you doing?
Oh, tough fishing, but it wasn't bad. Wasn't bad at all.
Well, we didn't kill the big fish today, but we had great fun with good friends. If you're ever around Rockport, Texas, go check out Goose Island State Park. Thanks for watching 30 Miles Out.
And join the Plastic Navy. Uncle Ty wants you.